Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you 5 cool things that you can do with Google that most of us don't know. So before the video starts, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Finally, hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's begin with the video. First, do a barrel roll. Google can do a barrel roll. Despite of Google being only a search engine, you can do some fun things with it. So first type do a barrel roll. Google will do the barrel roll like this. You can type it again and see. This is so funny. Number 2. Google can flip a coin and roll a dice. When you don't have a coin or a dice, just ask Google to decide. So first type in flip a coin. It flips the coin for you and it's heads. Type it again. And now it's tails. Then you type in roll a dice. Google rolls the dice for you. Now it's 2 number. Type it again. You might get a different number. Number 3. Tic-tac-toe. You can play tic-tac-toe with Google. Just type in tic-tac-toe and the game appears. You can play it again and again. It's a very nice game in Google. Number 4. Google's Pac-Man. Who doesn't love the legendary classic game Pac-Man? Everybody likes to play it, so type in Google Pac-Man in the search and the game appears. Tap to play. You can swipe to change the directions of the Pac-Man. It's an old game, but everybody's favorite. In the middle you can see the Google letters. Number 5. Google's offline game. When you are offline, Google displays this page. There is a picture of sad dinosaur. You have to click that and you can play the game. To play this game, you have to turn off Wi-Fi connection and search anything in the Google. It will show that you are offline. There is no internet connection. You have to click on the dinosaur and the game will appear. You can play the game. You can make your highest score. That's it for today. See you later.